Hopefully we can afford. Lovely. I just got a lot of truck stuff, of course, because it's a truck stop. This is cool. This is nice. So, just gonna give y'all a little quick tour. So y'all, it's our first time here. We passed by the first time we went OTR, but we didn't stop because it was on the opposite side of the freeway that we was going. We was going 80 east. Now we're going 80 west, coming back home. We got a drop off in Reno. We picked up in New Jersey and dropped off in Reno, and now we're here. So we're gonna sleep here tonight, and yeah, just tour and see what they have.
The time when you begin to wind down and get ready to sleep. These aren't consumer grade headlights. Replacement now.
Thought it was open. Dang, that's bright. Look at this. This is nice. This big daddy right here. This is what I want. I want a grill like this. I want a thumbnail right here. This, yeah. Go. Stand up there. Bro, this clean. It's dark, but this motherfucker is huge. I can't wait. This is clean. Look at the detail. Look at the pedal and the brake. Stick shift. This is nice. Yeah, boy. Look at the detail. Leather. I want one leather because in the summertime it's hot, but boy, look at the stitching. Look at the armrest. Boy, they done did something with this. Look at this. Yeah, this is nice. I wouldn't mind driving one of these. I wouldn't mind at all. Call me Big Bird. This is nice. Oh, that's a lot. Look at the lights. Just pay attention to detail. I like detail. Look at the yellow stitching on the tires. Look at this. Hello. This is nice. Like I said, I've never been here before, so I'm excited like a little kid. Very nice detail. Don't judge me. Okay, enough of this stuff. Sort of like exhaust pipes. Heavy duty train horn. Honk to show some boobies. You know what, clamps? Yeah. I know, these are clamps. I get excited when I know stuff. These big clamps. We'll tell y'all stories, but we ain't got time. This door handle, oh, grab handle. They got a lot of stuff. This looks like Pimp My Ride stuff. Gotta pimp my ride. So you mean to tell me, is this a twin, sis? Is this? It's comfortable. Hell yeah, but how we both gonna do that?
Put them together. Get you a body pillow.
No, for real. But that floor space where you walk, you could get like a small, like little air mattress too. For nice when we mad at each other.
Trucker hats.
No.
Those are seat covers. Please don't be ignorant.
Okay. But I can't say that we on YouTube. Never mind.
Sheepskin. Oh, I would not put that in there. I'm an animal person, so this is really sad. Like super sad. Like very sad. Spirits on them. It is. Run. Show them how you work out in the workout video you did. Hold on, I gotta get it again. Oh, somebody up here. Go. Oh, the restaurant stuff over there.
My teeth done. Go here.
It's a dentist.
Utility. The dentist up here, the barbershop up here,
Church.
showers up here. Okay. Driver's line. Okay. Good to know. I'm out of breath, y'all. I'm a little windy. It's a gym. Free equipment, but better than nothing. Nice line.
I didn't want to get it because people was over there. A little. Depends, yeah.
It's worth it.
It is.
Well, I have that. So, do you have a tattoo? You do.
Yeah.
So, like,
It's
kind of like
no
It's less.
less pain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Oh, the movie theater. Theater, whatever. Do that again.
What?
Lounge area. Ooh. Oh, it goes back in a circle, huh? This way. We came from this way.
Tell me. We got me messed up.
What are those?
Just because you got your shoes in one point.
Just for today. The flags. I'm gonna go through the flags. Be nice.
You know it was coming.
We'll go there like
Some cowboy boots.
cowboy boots.
Y'all know it's, you can smell the leather. You smell the leather. And it's still tall. Oh, look at this. What is this, a saddle?
Mm-hmm.
The saddle. No, I'm gonna take it down.
Oh, just tell them that.
We need some cowboy boots because we officially been to Texas, and you gotta have some cowboy boots out there. It's a must. It's a must. You get the little girl in them. These look like, I ain't gonna say it. I have all type of nationalities.
Belts.
Ooh, this is what we used to get beat with. My daddy used to have a belt like this. But my mama beat it. Stay loaded.
Period.
Why you gotta make everything like dark? Oh, good. Big ties, bro. Oh. Shut up. That's for the big boy. Big. Let me stop because I'm getting there, y'all. Okay, this store is like, what?
Ooh, they got the liquor stores. You know, the liquor-
Dirty if you wear those. Oh, look. Oh, I just seen Bay.
Oh my god.
Bang.
Oh, these are cute. I don't know.
They ain't got no. I can't go there.
Wonder why.
They suck.
Thank you. Horribly.
They could at least have the Giants. And the 49ers been to the Super Bowl recently.
We'll wait till you're there.
It's this way. I'm hot. She made me run up the stairs.
Look at the socks. So cute.
Hey.
These the ones Malia wants.
Oh, moccasins.
I love a good mock. It's nothing like a good mock.
I know. I wear these till they start leaning, boy.
They already buy them leaning.
These some good ones too. Look at the grip at the bottom.
These are really cute. Really fluffy like.
$54.
That ain't bad. Pajama pants.
You hop out your truck in pajamas and pants. You're dirty. Dirty.
How's your last 3 days been?
Oh, I want some of that light up on the tippy toes. Oh, this one is right here.
It's like a bar type situation.
That's pretty much it. Okay.
Be nice.
I am.
He has a disability.
I said he might have a disability. You want taco salad? That would be kind of good.
I won't.
I got apple cider.
Look at the toys for the little boys. I'm gonna get Frankie a toy.
Get Buddy a toy. Tankers.
You doing all of this,
Coffee
and as soon as
and
she get back to the truck, her mouth gonna be wide open.
Shut up.
Fingers crossed, casket ready, knocked out.
I think you jealous you can't fall asleep as fast as me.
Well, I asked you to take a ride around the corner last night and you wouldn't.
We're gonna lose our part.
That's sad.
I thought it was gonna be better than this. Got a whole bunch of. Ooh, my brother would love this. You know, he's a 70s baby, but he was popular in his era. Era. That's
Don't
it,
be
right?
putting people age out there. Ooh, these are so good. Ooh, I want this for home. Instead of using the plug-ins, use wax.
Got it.
Standard. Ooh, you lucky I can't be acting a fool on this camera.
This for you. For sure.
Period. Wine is to women as duct tape is to women. Men, fix everything. This is so cute. It's all for like winos. Oh, look at this. Oil diffuser. They probably really be having all of this in their truck. A whole vibe. Now I see why all these livestock trucks is out here, because they got all of this good leather. Got the whole aisle smelling like, whoa. Okay, man. Get back on.
I'm over it.
They got pajamas.
The most exciting thing was the 2 trucks.
I ain't touched the urn in like 7 days.
Hungry?
Oh, she effing with it. She ready. That's what I'm talking about. Get the toe.
Hey.
Get her from head to toe. Drip check.
Hey, that's a show.
Drip
That's
check.
a show, dog.
Drip check.
Hey, now she got it.
Oh,
She got it.
oh, that's her. That's her. Y'all can get y'all dripped, rechecked out here. You been wanting Pizza Hut?
I'm not hungry.
You're gonna get in that truck and turn them YouTube videos on and be hungry or something. Well, your definition of food is snacks. So. The little, is these poppets for them kids?
Y'all, something in my eye for like 10 hours. 10 hours.
Oh, look at the grass flip-flops. So different. I wouldn't though. Like what? Oh, look at the
Flip-flops, you know. I thought it was one of them fish things that you hang on the wall. You press the button and the tail and the mouth move and open. No, okay.
These are flip-flops, y'all. Freaking flip-flops. Kind of tight. I'm stuck on this grass. I wish I could feel it because they really feel like grass. I would not buy those. No, I wouldn't.
You would. These the ones right here. I get these or these gold ones right here. Them the ones for sure. These, no. I like the lenses of these two. One,
Reflector lenses.
whatever.
I asked a simple question.
Shut your ass.
Remember this?
Remember my fist across all 5 of your teeth. You
I
only
have
got
32.
She got 5 teeth.
I have
y'all.
all 32 of my teeth.
She got crayon mouth. Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
And you're gonna be walking around with the yellow flipper like she got in her mouth. Oh, popcorn, $4.99. It's really good. Cookies, chocolate chip cookie sandwiches.
My LGBTQ elemental P.
What?
Put the handle on.
For people like you.
Shut up. What's this? Ice cinnamon roll.
You want a donut?
No, I want an ice before I go get it.
What happened? Why are you praying that?
Because I left my wallet. Shut up.
Oh, cotton candy.
Oh, cherry not ready.
No.
I remember these growing up.
It really does. It looks really good. Tuna croissants.
That's tuna. Egg salad.
Egg salad. Butterscotch pudding. Dirt. We used to make these in school. Remember I was telling you the pudding with the... And they do it for Halloween.
Italian hoagie. Taco wrap.
Here goes some yogurt and granola like you wanted. Ooh, and they got strawberry.
Look, eggs. You can eat them up. What's this?
World.
Oh, beets.
This ain't no beef.
It said red. Oh, beet eggs. I can't read. Teach one, teach one. I'm gonna ask if they put Yeah, they take Apple Pay. Get all what you want. Oh, but you wanted food. I'm sorry. Well, there's Wendy's over there, Taco Bell, and Pizza Hut. I just want something to drink. I'm very dehydrated. I want an icy.
So go get your icy.
I'm gonna wait to see what you get. Mike, what you want?
Popcorn, M&M.
I remember Lulu bought me these. Remember I ate the whole bag? Look.
Taffy.
Did we like the banana one?
You did.
I did, huh? We went to Monterey, but I think we bought the whole candy store. I like the strawberry cheesecake. Peaches and cream. Ooh,
I like the
these
regular
probably-
flavors, like all of this other stuff.
My mama would like these. For sure. Shrimp ain't vegan. Elijah, use proper English. He said shrimp ain't vegan. Did you just
Animal
talk about that?
crackers.
They probably ain't gonna hit because it ain't in the box.
You need this for that's just a support.
Got some bread. Paper plates. These are good, y'all. Cereal.
They got keychain. I'm not recording you.
Oh, my bad, P. Let's see if they, some they stuff, although they suck.
You know she's not talking to me.
What else they got? They got some A's or something. Oh, Raiders. Raiders.
Where's the dog section? Like, where's the stuff for the dogs? Yeah. I hated that because the candy was hella nasty. Disgusting. That might be good.
These might be good. P.
You pick up the nastiest looking
You know
stuff.
I like Krispy Kreme. Quit playing with me.
Krispy
That look like
Kreme is-
maple, strawberry.
I'm sure the flavors are on the back.
Oh. Cinnamon apple filled strawberry ice glaze, blueberry original glaze. It wasn't maple.
Disgusting.
No, I would eat this whole bag. I picked these out in the bag.
Get
and
'em.
ate them. I don't want them now. But these hella good.
Where is my name? Oh my god.
Joshua, Abby, Logan. I got Malia.
Who?
Shut up. Baby, you ain't got Ashley. Here go the A's right here.
Oh yeah, they need to be fired.
Kayla,
They got Samantha.
I have Leah. They spelled my mommy called me Leah. But it ain't spelled like that.
I used to love this type of stuff. But I stopped eating it. That's why I still got all 32 teeth. Hi, Frankie. Y'all understand Frankie one day. But just manifest. Manifest. Frankie, you want a toy? He would get
This might
this.
be good. Sweet teriyaki beef jerky. But then sitting outside smelling all that cow manure.
We're most definitely in the cow manure place. Wanna go to the arcade? Ooh, why them ice cream cones look good? That ain't from Wendy's. Is that what you wanted? It's the arcade. Are you gonna win me something? These are sucker things, like oversized. stupid. She gonna get us kicked out.
I can't take like this nowhere. Nowhere. Okay.